Student, welcome to MDC Learning. So, in today's video, we are going to cover very important topic from FI BCom. The name of topic is distinguish between collusive and non-collusive oligopoly. Before start the distinguish between collusive and non-collusive oligopoly. Oligopoly concept I have done yesterday only, so go through entire video. You will understand that what is oligopoly. The word oligopoly derived from Greek word oligio means few, poly means seller. So the market where there are few seller is called oligopoly market. Now there are two type of oligopoly, collusive and non-collusive. So today we will understand what are the difference between collusive and non-collusive oligopoly. So let's start the difference. First is collusive oligopoly. See, we have learned the word collusive. Collusive का मतलब होता है कोलाइड, एक साथ आके काम करना. And non-collusive means when we work separately. So collusive oligopoly means firm do not compete but cooperate. इन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली फर्म एक दूसरे के साथ कंपटीशन नहीं करते, दे कोऑपरेट ईच अदर. सो दे कम टुगेदर, दे फॉर्म अ ग्रुप एंड दे एक्ट लाइक अ मोनोपोली फर्म इन द मार्केट. मोनोपोली फर्म मीन्स सिंगल सेलर. तो कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली का मतलब होता है जो फर्म होते हैं they are not making any type of competition with each other, they cooperate each other and they come together, they form a group, so they behave like a monopoly power in the market. For example, OPEC nation, oil petroleum exporting country, जितनी भी अरेबियन कंट्री है, those who are selling oil and petrol, they used to come together, they form a group and they work in a कोल्यूसिव वे. इट मीन दैट वो एक दूसरे के साथ कंपटीशन नहीं करते, वो एक दूसरे को कोऑपरेट करते हैं. नॉन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली मीन्स द फर्म्स आर इंडिपेंडेंट, दे मेक अ कॉम्पिटिशन विथ ईच अदर एंड दे डू नॉट मेक एनी टाइप ऑफ कॉपरेशन. नॉन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली हमेशा इंडिपेंडेंट काम करते हैं, देयर मेन एम इज़ प्रॉफिट, और वो हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ कंपटीशन करते हैं, दे आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी टाइप ऑफ कॉरपोरेशन. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली इज Jio, then Airtel, Vodafone, then automobile industries. These all are non-collusive oligopoly. Then collusive oligopoly. In collusive oligopoly, the price remains same. क्यों? Because all are working in a group. So the leader will decide the price and same price all will follow. Non-collusive oligopoly, the price may be differ because all are working independently. So all will decide the price of their product on their own. Then in collusive oligopoly, the main motto of all the firm is maximize the profit of group. Q, because all are working in a group. So in collusive oligopoly, the main motto of all the firms and all the member is maximize the profit of group. And whatever profit they will get, it will distribute equally and as per the decided percentage among the members. Then non-collusive oligopoly main motto is maximize the individual profit. Why? Because all are working individually, so their main motto is to get a maximum individual profit. Next is non-price competition. In collusive oligopoly, all are working in a group and the whatever prices of commodity, it is going to be decided by the selected leader. So there is no chance to get any price competition. मतलब कोलिजिव ओलिगोपोली में प्राइस को लेके किसी तरह को कोई वॉर नहीं होता है, बिकॉज द प्राइस रिमेन मैक्सिमम फिक्स ओनली. सो देर इज़ नो प्राइस कॉम्पिटिशन टेक प्लेस इन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली. Next is non-collusive oligopoly. In non-collusive oligopoly, price competition is possible because all are working separately, they are not cooperate each other and they make a competition with each other. So they always maintain different prices. So this can lead to price competition. Then collusive oligopoly follow price leadership. Price leadership means in collusive oligopoly, all the firm come together, they working in a group and they select powerful person as a leader and that leader will decide the price, and whatever price leader has decided all will follow. बट इन नॉन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली दे आर फॉलोइंग रिजिड प्राइस. रिजिड प्राइस का मतलब होता है द प्राइस विच इज़ चेंज आफ्टर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आफ्टर प्रॉपर डिसीजन, एंड रिजिड प्राइस always cover cost as well as profit of the firm. And in collusive oligopoly rigid price इसलिए रखी गई है कि प्राइस को लेके किसी तरह का कोई कंपटीशन नहीं हो. So rigid price means the price which is not fixed but change after longer period of time. Next is, okay, in collusive oligopoly, as all the firms are working in a group, so they are not interdepending on each other for make a decision about change in a price and output, because whatever changes regarding price and output wants to take, it is going to take by leader itself. Next is interdependence among seller. In non-collusive oligopoly, as all the leaders are working separately, so they all are depending on each other regarding decision of change in a price, regarding decision of change in a output. So whatever changes they want to make regarding prices and output, they have to depend on each other, because if one firm will increase the price, then what will be the reaction on of other, and if one firm decrease the price, then what will be the reaction of other, that is matter. So that in non-collusive oligopoly, all the firms are depending on each other. Next is, in collusive oligopoly there is no price war, because prices remain fixed and it is going to be decided by leader itself. Next is, in non-collusive oligopoly, price war is possible. Why? Because all the firms are working separately. Then collusive oligopoly always create benefits for seller. Why? Because all are working in a group, and if one will supply, then other will supply. If one will stop supply, then other will also stop the supply. So in collusive oligopoly, they have a power to control the supply. So seller are always get benefit. But in non-collusive oligopoly, always customer are in benefits. Why? Because all the leaders, all the firms are working separately. So if one firm decrease the price, then all the customer will go to one firm, and if second firm will also decrease the price, then customer come with second one. So the point is that non-collusive oligopoly, the fight take place between firm. So due to the fight, the customer get benefits. They will purchase commodity from the firm who is trying to sell maximum at less price. Next is, in collusive oligopoly, price generally remain stable because all the prices decided by the leader. So there is no price war. Then in non-collusive oligopoly, price may be vary and fluctuate. Means price can be changed. It can be increase and decrease as per the action taken by first firm. So अगर एक firm price increase or decrease करता, then other will also react. Next is, in collusive oligopoly, it always take a form of cartel. Cartel means when firms come together, form a group and they work in a group. So in collusive oligopoly, it always take a form of cartel. But in non-collusive oligopoly, firms are not form any type of cartel. They work separately. They work independently and they just make a competition with each other. So collusive oligopoly form a cartel and non-collusive oligopoly does not form any type of cartel. Example of collusive oligopoly is OPEC nation. OPEC means oil petroleum exporting country, and we can also call it Organization of Petroleum Exporting Country, and other cartels. See, in our country we can say there is a cement cartel, then there is a steel cartel. So and now Vodafone or Idea merge with each other, so they are also form of a collusive oligopoly. So collusive oligopoly का मतलब होता है जब दो फर्म या दो से ज़्यादा फर्म एक साथ आके ग्रुप में काम करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड collusive oligopoly. Example of non-collusive oligopoly is airline, mobile phone, refrigerator, automobile, etc. As the best example is SIM card. In our country, there are two main and dominate SIM card. These are Vodafone and Airtel. But as Jio come, Jio also given a strong competition. So Jio, Vodafone, Airtel, these all are example of non-collusive oligopoly. So the point is that collusive oligopoly work in a group. The best example in India is cement. Afterward, recently the steel industry also mixed with each other. सो जो कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली है वो दो फॉर्म में होता है. आइदर कंपनी विल मर्ज विथ ईच अदर और वन बिग कंपनी ट्राई टू एक्यूज अदर स्मॉल कंपनी. जैसे कि वॉलमार्ट एक्यूज करना चाह रहा है फ्लिपकार्ट को, सो दैट विल बी ऑल्सो फॉर्म ऑफ अ कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली. एंड व्हेन वोडाफोन एंड आइडिया मर्ज विथ ईच अदर, दैट इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म ऑफ कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली. एंड नॉन कोल्यूसिव ओलिगोपोली मीन्स फर्म are working separately, they are working independently, like Maruti Suzuki they are a different firm, and Tata Motors, they are a different firm. So these are example of non-collusive oligopoly. Student, go through entire video and whatever point written in a video as it is you have to write down in your notebook.